I'm not a soccer person, but I thought you guys might want to hear this. Oh, to Gayton Mackenzie. Gayton Mackenzie is the Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture. He's saying that Hugo is not going anywhere. You can't blame him for Bafana for losing. You can't blame him. Don't Uti is not going anywhere. He must continue working and then he must retire. So I mean, Mina guys, I don't understand soccer. I don't watch soccer, but I did hear some people saying they do blame Hugo because he selected the players. So I mean, make it make sense. Listen to Gayton here, and tell me if do you blame Hugo, or you feel like, well, it's not like it's not his fault because I mean it's the players that were playing, or do you blame him for the players that he put together? Listen to Mackenzie here and tell me what you think. Please don't come for me because Mina, I don't understand soccer.
Is a national team. It's a team that has done very well for us. You know, we mustn't stand here and act like Bafana was knocked out in the first round. No. There are teams, I mean, that can complain. We did great, but we didn't do our best. But you must understand, go back a few years, this Bafana, Hugo Bross has truly woken up Bafana. And I hear people are saying, now it's time for Hugo Bross to go. To go where? Hugo Bross is going nowhere. And I want to make that clear. Hugo Bross is going absolutely nowhere. Hugo Bross is going to Mexico. That's where Hugo Bross is going. We can't have this mentality where people must just be going. We must go through coaches like the national team. It's a play thing. No. You know, he has put the structure. How do you blame Hugo Bross if players don't score? How do you blame the coach? We all watch the game. So I want to make also that very clear. I hear voices saying, no, Hugo Bross must be fired. Fired for who and for what? We are going to the World Cup. He's been doing very, very well. It seems we got short memories. Did we forget this Bafana? No, Hugo Bross must truly take us to the World Cup so that he can retire.